Well, thanks for tuning into the video. We're going to just spend a few minutes going through how we've arrived where we are with the calendar, just so you can have an idea of what it is that I'm asking for you in this survey. We sent out the first survey and we asked for calendar feedback. From that, we learned that calendar 2 was our best, was the best option. So from calendar 2, we've created 4 versions. We've titled those 2A, 2B, and 2C and 2D. Pretty straightforward. And so today, in this survey, you'll go through selecting your 2 top favorite options from those calendars. So let's dive in and look at what those mean. So let's begin then with version 2A. I'm going to have to do some scrolling, so I apologize. But 2A is essentially the same calendar as we have this year, starting August the 14th, Christmas break at the December 14th, coming back a day later because of January 1st, but then ending then on May the 16th. Version 2B is where we start to have some changes. We've introduced something called Wednesday early release, basically where we would have an opportunity for scheduled and predictable professional development. Version 2C is where we still maintain the Wednesday early outs. It's just that we've moved back the holiday break by 1 week. So instead of holiday break beginning on December the 18th, holiday break then begins essentially on Christmas, or I guess what I'm getting at is, you know what I mean, a week later. That then allows us to come back a week later, staying away from the new year, and having graduation then move back a week. In doing this, it resolves a conflict with Mother's Day and state track as it was traditionally tied to graduation. So that fixes that. In addition, because we've added 5 days or 4 days rather to our calendar, we no longer need to have the reserve snow days. So that's 2C. 2D is where we start at the same time. We have a 3-week Christmas break, which means we still end on December the 14th. Don't return back until, well, with kids until the 9th. And then this calendar also resolves the conflict with Mother's Day, but it has a 3-week Christmas break. But we still have to have the reserve snow days. So that's, again, just a quick little wrap. You can click on the links in the video, or excuse me, in the survey to get a clearer version of each of these drafts, and then make sure you pick your top 2 and hit submit. We'll go from there. Thanks, guys.